How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another Bitcoin update. In this video, we're going to discuss one last potential bearish pattern. Other than that, everything's looking good. This dump has been a bullish dump so far. It could eventually develop into something bearish if we don't see certain levels reclaimed. So we'll discuss that all today. I'm actually seeing quite a lot of similarities with what is going on right now with the past Q1 or end of Q4 slash the beginning of Q1. You could argue that this formation over here currently could be a left shoulder, the head here, and a potential right shoulder forming. Now that right shoulder will form if we see Bitcoin failing to reclaim 109k. That would then, of course, send Bitcoin down to 100k. You don't even need that strong of a bounce to get down there. We could go down there straight away. But this dip has been all about flipping this golden pocket area into support. It's a macro golden pocket area. So by changing this into support, it's creating the reversal wave. That means I have these expectations up here, 120, 138. There's also some similarities with the first top. So this was the double top here. And you could say that this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and we could actually still create like a double top formation where we put in a new higher high, as you can see, and then still come back down just like that and form something like that to get down to 100k, maybe even worse, down to 95k. We're not yet out of the woods. All Bitcoin needs to do is go ahead and break 109k and flip it into support. Let's get more specific with some Fibonacci's. So previously I had this red level here based off of this dump going from the highest point to the lowest. Let me zoom in. And we had a pump over the past couple of weeks into 110k, failing to breach through this red box and so confirming it as resistance. Like my example with the more macro Fibonacci, I need the macro 786, 886 to flip into support in order to expect those higher price targets. And it's the same with the micro. Unfortunately, without it breaking through those expectations up there, don't expect them pretty much. Now, we saw the rejection, we saw this area respected as resistance, and then we've seen a further dump down. Now, on that dump, as I explained in my video the other day, Bitcoin lost the 20 moving average. It also lost the 886. But as long as it recovers those two the following days and also the bearish cross it had formed, then things are looking good. However, with this new low being put in, I have to adjust my fibs to that new low. And so then it changes that level. I'm just going to, pretty much just leave it like that. Technically, I can drag it down to 108.5. So just be aware, 108.5 to 112k is a key area of resistance. Previous all-time high is 109.3k. So that is going to be enough of a go-ahead signal for me. All that needs to happen is Bitcoin must break 109k, turn it into support, and we should expect those higher price targets. That's not much more else to say. Check out the links in the description if you want to jump into the Discord community. I also do live Q&As in there on top of all the exclusive content. If you want one-to-one mentorship, consultation call, work out DCA plan for you, check the links in the description, head over to the website, and I'll see you over there. Cheers.